So this side, it shows these guys, and all you need to do is just like clip this and then pull it out. I'm just trying to get this one first.
Yeah, that's in my way.
Oh, it is in my way? So I hit,
To get that last one, yeah.
I guess I can move it. I wasn't planning on it. I was just trying to get all the electrical out. That should be good.
Push, pull. Okay. I think
So
a
much
lot of it is
easier.
because it's never been pulled. We're having such a difficult time.
We can actually pinch.
Yeah, now that you've got some room.
Okay, that's 2.
Yeah, because it helps that our finger can go behind it now. I need more grip strength. I need to practice at the gym.
Stop it. You need to practice at the gym with your grip.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Of course you are.
Oh, does that mean we take a break for dinner?
Is
This isn't too bad. I mean, it's old, but it's actually not that bad considering it's been in there 10 years. She's never had a spark plug changed. But this is not black.
I think it's not all the way yet.
This one needs to be popped.
Yeah. What Johnny was saying here is to make sure that I twist without the wrench, just the extension, so I don't cross thread the spark plug. And then of course my camera died. But all I had left to do was to insert all of the new spark plugs and then put everything back to where it was. Come on. Okay, everything's finished. Put back. Reading the codes.
You don't have any codes.
Cool.